In today's digital-first world, having a strong online presence is no longer optional. It's essential, whether you run a business, blog, or e-commerce store. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the foundation for attracting new visitors, building credibility, and growing your brand online. By understanding and applying proven SEO strategies, you can improve your website ranking, increase organic traffic, and stay ahead of competitors. This comprehensive guide will cover everything from keyword research and on-page optimization to off-page optimization, link building, and adapting to the ever-changing Google algorithm. You'll also discover powerful external resources, actionable tips, and the future of search engine marketing, SME, all designed to help you optimize your website for long-term success. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving a website so it appears higher in search engine results pages. The higher your website ranks, the more visibility you gain, and the more likely you are to attract qualified visitors. SEO consists of multiple elements: on-page optimization, improving content, keywords, and site structure. Off-page optimization, building authority through backlinks and external mentions. Technical SEO, ensuring search engines can crawl and index your site effectively. Content strategy, creating valuable, relevant, and user-focused content. Unlike paid ads, SEO drives organic traffic, visitors who find your website naturally. This makes SEO one of the most cost-effective and sustainable digital marketing strategies. Why SEO is essential for website ranking. With billions of daily searches on Google, appearing on the first page of search results is crucial. Here, SY, visibility. Most users, go past the first page of results. Credibility - higher rankings, build trust with users. Cost-effectiveness. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic doesn't require constant spending. Sustainable growth. A well-optimized site can generate traffic for years. Competitive advantage. Businesses with strong SEO outperform those relying on paid ads. The role of Google's algorithm. Google's algorithm determines how websites are ranked in search results. While the exact formula is secret, the algorithm considers hundreds of ranking factors, including relevance. Does the page match the search query? Authority. Do reputable websites link back to your content? User experience. Is the site mobile-friendly, fast, and easy to navigate? Content quality. Does the page provide depth, originality, and value? Engagement metrics. Do users stay on the site and interact with the content? Staying updated on Google algorithm changes is critical to maintaining strong rankings. Essential SEO strategies for success. 1. Conduct effective keyword research. Keywords are the backbone of SEO. Keyword research identifies the terms and phrases your target audience searches for. Tools: Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest. Tips: use long-tail keywords for better targeting and less competition. Example: instead of SEO, target SEO strategies for small businesses. 2. On-page optimization. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual web pages to improve visibility. Optimize title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. Use target keywords naturally within the content. Add internal links to related pages. Ensure images have descriptive alt text. 3. Off-page optimization and link building. Off-page SEO is all about building credibility and authority. Link building. Acquire high-quality backlinks from trusted sites. Guest posting. Publish content on authoritative websites in your niche. Social signals. Boost visibility through social media shares. Citations. Ensure consistent business listings across directories. Backlinks remain one of the most influential ranking factors. 4. Technical SEO. Without proper technical SEO, even the best content can struggle to rank. Create an XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. Fix broken links and ensure proper redirects. Use HTTPS for security. Improve site speed and mobile responsiveness. 5. Content strategy for SEO. High-quality content is the heart of SEO. Publish blog posts, guides, and resources that provide genuine value. Focus on user intent, what the searcher really wants to find. Use a mix of text, visuals, and videos for engagement. Update old content to keep it relevant. 6. Optimize for SERP features. Google SERPs now include featured snippets, FAQs, knowledge panels, and more. Answer commonly asked questions concisely. Use schema markup to help Google understand your content. Optimize for voice search by targeting conversational queries. 7. Monitor and measure SEO performance. You can't improve what you don't measure. Use tools to track progress. Google Analytics. Track traffic and user behavior. Google Search Console. Monitor indexing and keyword performance. SEMrush Ahrefs. Check backlinks and competitor performance. Common SEO mistakes to avoid keyword stuffing. Overusing keywords hurts rankings. Ignoring mobile optimization. Mobile-first indexing makes this critical. Duplicate content weakens SEO authority. Neglecting user experience. Poor navigation and slow speed drive users away. Not tracking results. Without data, you can't improve. External resources for SEO mastery to deepen your SEO knowledge. Explore these trusted sources. MOS SEO guides, tools, and research. Search Engine Journal. Latest SEO news and insights. Ahrefs blog, advanced strategies and tutorials. Neil Patel, beginner-friendly SEO tips and keyword tools. Google Search Central official SEO documentation. The future of search engine optimization, SEO, continues to evolve, and staying ahead of trends is key. AI and machine learning. Smarter algorithms shaping rankings. Voice search, optimizing for conversational and local queries. Mobile-first SEO, prioritizing mobile performance. Video, SEO, YouTube and video-rich results becoming more prominent. Core Web Vitals. Site performance metrics impacting rankings. Businesses that adapt quickly will maintain strong visibility in the ever-changing digital landscape. Conclusion. Optimize your website for search engine success. Mastering search engine optimization is essential for improving website ranking, driving organic traffic, and building long-term online success. By combining keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and adapting to the Google algorithm, you can achieve sustainable growth. Unlike paid ads, SEO offers lasting benefits. With the right strategies, tools, and commitment, you can establish your brand as an authority, attract qualified visitors, and unlock the full potential of your website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.